As the crypto market evolves, investors are constantly searching for the next big opportunity. Two major contenders, Cardano, ADA, and Ripple, XRP, have continued to make headlines with their unique approaches to blockchain technology. But which one holds more promise in 2025? Will Cardano's focus on scalability and smart contracts dominate, or will Ripple's stronghold in cross-border payments give it the upper hand? This battle between two titans is not just about technology, it's about who will lead the next phase of crypto adoption. With regulatory shifts, institutional investments, and market trends shaping the industry, understanding the potential of these two giants is crucial for anyone looking to stay ahead in the crypto game. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of which crypto has the edge, technology, and use cases. Cardano is built on a research-driven approach, offering a secure and scalable platform for decentralized applications (dApps). Its proof-of-stake mechanism, Ouroboros, makes it energy efficient and attractive to developers looking for sustainable blockchain solutions. Unlike many blockchains that rush into the market with half-baked solutions, Cardano follows a meticulous peer-reviewed development process, ensuring long-term reliability. The network has also made significant progress with the rollout of smart contract capabilities through its Alonzo upgrade, allowing developers to build DeFi applications on the platform. The recent Hydra upgrade, aimed at improving transaction speeds and scalability, is expected to make Cardano even more competitive against Ethereum and Solana. Additionally, Cardano's Layer 2 solutions and sidechains are enhancing interoperability, allowing it to integrate with other blockchain networks more seamlessly. Ripple, on the other hand, is focused on revolutionizing the traditional banking sector. XRP is designed for fast and low-cost international transactions, aiming to replace the outdated SWIFT system. It boasts transaction speeds of just 3 to 5 seconds and can handle up to 1,500 transactions per second, far superior to Bitcoin and even Ethereum. Ripple's partnerships with financial institutions, including Santander and Bank of America, make it a strong player in global finance. Ripple's on-demand liquidity (ODL) service is already being used by banks and remittance services worldwide to facilitate near-instant cross-border payments. This real-world adoption gives XRP a unique advantage that many cryptos struggle to achieve. Ripple's continuous expansion into new financial markets, particularly in Asia and the Middle East. In addition, Ripple's enterprise-focused blockchain solutions, such as RippleNet, are streamlining payment processes for businesses, enabling more efficient money transfers worldwide. The integration of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, into Ripple's ecosystem is also being explored, with both Cardano and Ripple actively developing their ecosystems. Their respective use cases remain strong contenders for shaping the future of blockchain and finance. Adoption and institutional interest. Cardano has been steadily growing its developer community and ecosystem. With smart contract functionality now in place, projects are launching on the Cardano network, increasing its real-world use cases. The number of active Cardano wallets has surged past 4 million, reflecting growing adoption. Additionally, large institutions like Grayscale have shown interest in ADA, adding it to their crypto investment funds. Ripple enjoys strong institutional backing, with banks and financial entities integrating its technology. Despite ongoing legal battles with the SEC, XRP continues to be used for remittances and international payments, showing resilience in the market. In late 2023, Ripple secured a partial victory against the SEC, leading to a 60% price surge in just a few days. If Ripple fully wins its case, major financial institutions may feel more comfortable integrating XRP, potentially driving its value even higher. Former US President Donald Trump has also shown renewed interest in crypto, hinting at potential policies that could favor digital assets. Some experts believe a more crypto-friendly administration in 2025 could significantly benefit both Cardano and Ripple, especially if clearer regulations emerge. Recently, Cardano has expanded its global presence, securing partnerships with governments and private organizations in Africa to provide blockchain-based solutions. These initiatives aim to enhance transparency in areas like education, supply chains, and financial services. Additionally, ADA's DeFi ecosystem is growing, with a total value locked (TVL) surpassing $400 million, signaling increased investor confidence. On the Ripple side, its on-demand liquidity (ODL) service has witnessed a surge in adoption, with major payment providers leveraging XRP for seamless cross-border transactions. Ripple's expansion into the Asia-Pacific region, particularly in Japan and South Korea, has strengthened its foothold in international payments. This continued global growth, regardless of regulatory setbacks in the US, reinforces Ripple's position as a key player in financial infrastructure. Both Cardano and Ripple are making strides in adoption, with institutional backing playing a crucial role in their long-term success, market performance, and price potential. Both ADA and XRP have experienced volatility, but their price trends reflect their unique market positioning. Cardano's price movements are largely tied to network upgrades and developer activity, while Ripple's value is significantly influenced by regulatory decisions and financial sector adoption. As of today, Cardano, ADA, is trading at approximately 95 cents, following a surge to nearly $1.20 just 5 days ago. Despite a slight pullback, analysts remain optimistic about ADA's long-term potential, with price targets ranging from $2 to $3 in a bullish scenario by 2025. Ripple's XRP, currently valued at around $2.48, recently spiked to approximately $3.10 before settling at its present level. The price surge was largely attributed to increasing institutional adoption and market speculation over the outcome of Ripple's legal battle with the SEC. If Ripple secures a decisive victory, some analysts predict XRP could climb past $5, potentially reaching $7 by 2025, especially if major banks begin leveraging its technology on a broader scale. Beyond legal victories and institutional backing, macroeconomic factors such as inflation trends, interest rates, and global financial stability will play a crucial role in shaping ADA and XRP's future prices. Historically, crypto markets respond positively to easing monetary policies, meaning a shift in Federal Reserve policy could spark another bull run benefiting both assets. Additionally, increased integration of ADA in DeFi applications and Ripple's ongoing expansion in Asia and Latin America could significantly boost adoption, providing further upside potential. If the overall crypto market enters another strong rally, both Cardano and Ripple could experience substantial growth, cementing their positions as top-tier blockchain projects. Regulatory challenges and risks. Cardano operates with fewer regulatory concerns, focusing on compliance-friendly blockchain solutions. Its decentralized nature allows it to avoid many of the legal battles that other cryptos face. However, it still competes with Ethereum and newer blockchains, meaning continued innovation is necessary for long-term survival. The regulatory landscape for Cardano remains relatively stable, but its adoption in heavily regulated industries like finance and healthcare will depend on future policy developments. Any new government-imposed restrictions on staking or smart contracts could impact its growth trajectory. Ripple, however, is entangled in legal disputes with the SEC, which could impact its future. A favorable ruling could boost XRP's price and adoption, while an unfavorable outcome could pose challenges. Despite this, Ripple has continued expanding globally, securing partnerships in Europe, Asia, and Latin America. The recent price volatility of XRP highlights the regulatory uncertainty surrounding it. Just 5 days ago, XRP surged to approximately $3.10, before retracting to $2.48. This fluctuation was fueled by speculation over the SEC case, emphasizing how regulatory decisions can dictate XRP's market performance. If Ripple fully wins its case, it could open doors for institutional investors hesitant to engage with XRP due to legal risks. On the other hand, an adverse ruling could result in hefty fines and further restrictions, limiting its usability within the US market, while pushing Ripple to focus entirely on offshore markets. Overall, while Cardano enjoys a relatively smooth regulatory environment, Ripple's legal battle remains a significant factor influencing its future. Both Cardano and Ripple bring unique strengths to the crypto space. Cardano's commitment to decentralization and smart contract innovation makes it a strong contender for the future, while Ripple's dominance in cross-border payments could revolutionize financial transactions. The battle between ADA and XRP in 2025 will largely depend on regulatory clarity, If you're betting on the long-term potential of smart contracts and DeFi, Cardano might be your pick. But if you believe in the future of blockchain-powered global payments, Ripple could be the game changer. Which side are you on? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the future of cryptocurrency.